Every single day, millions of seniors across America are unknowingly harming their bodies with supplements they believe are helping them. Here's a startling fact that should concern every person over 60. Every 7 seconds, a senior suffers a fall linked to weak muscles or unstable joints. And, shockingly, some of the most popular supplements that seniors trust and take every day are actually making this problem worse. A comprehensive Harvard review recently found that 4 common supplements taken by people after 60 are linked to a 39% higher risk of muscle loss, 25% greater bone fragility, and even cardiovascular stress in adults with declining kidney function. Over 73% of seniors over 60 take daily supplements, but most of them have no idea which ones are secretly draining their strength and vitality. But the concerns don't end there. Some of these so-called health boosters are now being linked to accelerated joint degeneration, digestive inflammation, and even calcium being pulled from the bones where it's needed most. Today, we're going to reveal the 4 worst supplements you should never take after 60, and the 4 best ones you absolutely must take daily to protect your muscles, joints, and energy levels. We've ranked these supplements from least to most dangerous, and from good to absolutely essential. These supplements could truly be the difference between maintaining your independence or experiencing increasing weakness. And here's something exciting. Our number 1 recommended supplement has been clinically shown to improve strength and mobility by over 41% in just 8 weeks. That one change alone could help reverse years of muscle decline. The information we're sharing today is backed by extensive scientific research. We want you to know that this isn't just opinion. These are real, documented facts that could genuinely change your life for the better. Now, before we dive into the details, we'd love to hear from you. What supplements are you currently taking? Have you noticed any results, whether good or bad? Your experiences and stories matter greatly, and sharing them might help another senior who's watching and looking for answers. The 4 worst supplements seniors should avoid. Number 4. Casein protein powder. If you're over 60 and taking casein protein, thinking it's helping your muscles, you might actually be setting yourself up for bigger problems than you realize. Casein is a slow-digesting dairy protein that's often marketed as the perfect nighttime protein for muscle recovery. But here's what many people don't understand. Seniors digest protein quite differently than younger adults, and slower digestion doesn't always mean better results. In fact, when your body needs quick amino acid delivery for muscle repair, especially after activity or before bed, casein can lag behind significantly. That delay can mean you're missing crucial recovery windows, especially if you're dealing with age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, which can reduce your muscle mass by 1% every single year after age 60. But digestion isn't the only issue to consider. Many casein powders are filled with additives, gums, and thickeners that can slow down your digestive system. If you already have a sensitive stomach, these ingredients can trigger bloating, constipation, or even mild inflammation in your gut lining. A 2019 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that elderly individuals had significantly lower tolerance to casein-based products compared to whey or plant proteins. Nearly 37% of participants reported digestive discomfort after taking just 1 scoop daily for 2 weeks. There's another problem we need to discuss. Casein comes from milk proteins that become harder to digest as we age. Lactase enzyme levels drop off significantly in older adults, meaning many people over 60 gradually become intolerant to dairy without even realizing it's happening. This can result in low-grade inflammation throughout your body, poor nutrient absorption, and inconsistent energy levels that leave you feeling drained. If you've been waking up feeling stiff, bloated, or low on energy despite taking your nighttime protein shake, casein could be the silent troublemaker. The issue isn't that protein is bad for you. It's that the wrong type of protein at the wrong time can stall your progress, weaken your digestion, and leave you wondering why your strength isn't improving despite your best efforts. Number 3. Creatine monohydrate. Creatine has been heavily promoted for decades. Athletes swear by it, and gym enthusiasts load up on it regularly. Many seniors are now reaching for creatine, hoping to regain muscle strength and energy. But here's the uncomfortable truth that needs to be shared. Creatine monohydrate can backfire significantly after 60, especially if you're not strength training consistently, drinking enough water, or if you have any kidney concerns whatsoever. Creatine works by pulling water into your muscles, which can cause bloating, swelling, and even raise blood pressure in older adults. Since many seniors already struggle with proper hydration, this extra water retention can put unnecessary stress on your kidneys. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found that older adults supplementing with creatine who were not following a structured resistance program saw no measurable improvement in muscle mass. However, they did report increased fatigue and elevated creatinine levels, which is a marker of kidney stress. The concerns don't stop there. Creatine loading phases, where you take high doses for 5 to 7 days, can cause weight gain of up to 4 pounds from water retention alone. For seniors already managing heart issues or swelling in their legs, that sudden weight fluctuation can be genuinely dangerous. Creatine is metabolized in your liver and must be cleared by your kidneys. So if you have any history of impaired kidney function, even mild impairment, you're taking an unnecessary risk. Here's what most seniors don't realize. Your natural creatine stores do decline with age, but that doesn't mean you need to flood your system with raw monohydrate. That's like trying to fix a leaky pipe with a fire hose. It's simply too much, too fast. Number 2. Low-grade collagen peptidase. Collagen supplements are everywhere right now. From powders to gummies, everyone's promising stronger joints, glowing skin, and thicker hair. But here's the disturbing reality. Most collagen supplements sold to seniors are low-grade, poorly absorbed products that look helpful on the label but are practically useless inside your body. Not all collagen is created equal, and after 60, your digestion changes significantly. Your stomach acid decreases, and your enzyme production slows down. This means you need collagen that's already been broken down into highly bioavailable peptides that your body can actually use. Instead, most cheap supplements give you large collagen proteins that are simply too big to absorb properly. They pass right through your system without providing any benefit. A 2020 study published in Nutrients tested multiple brands of collagen peptides and found that only 27% of products had the proper peptide profile needed for absorption. Even worse, many senior-focused collagen products contain artificial sweeteners, dyes, and even heavy metals from low-quality processing facilities. Lead and cadmium were detected in over 30% of powders tested, especially those imported without strict quality regulations. Here's another danger to consider. If your collagen supplement is made from cheap bovine or pork sources that haven't been properly hydrolyzed, your immune system may recognize these proteins as foreign invaders. This can lead to low-grade inflammation, joint pain, or gut issues like bloating and discomfort. So while you think you're helping your knees and joints, you may actually be triggering internal irritation that worsens the very symptoms you're trying to fix. Number 1. Branched-chain amino acids. If you're over 60 and still taking branched-chain amino acids to build muscle, it's time for a serious reality check. These once popular gym supplements are not just outdated for seniors, they can be dangerously ineffective and potentially harmful. Branched-chain amino acids consist of just 3 amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, isolated from complete protein. They were promoted for decades as muscle boosters, but here's the science that rarely gets discussed. Your body cannot build muscle from just 3 amino acids. It needs all 9 essential amino acids in the right ratio at the right time. When you flood your system with just these 3 amino acids, you're disrupting the delicate balance your body needs. This can actually reduce muscle protein synthesis, especially in aging muscle tissue. A 2022 meta-analysis from Clinical Nutrition reviewed over 1,500 senior participants and found no consistent benefit from branched-chain amino acid supplementation. In fact, many participants experienced worsened fatigue, lower appetite, and increased ammonia levels in their blood. The 4 best supplements for seniors over 60. Number 4. Clean plant-based protein blends. If you're over 60, your body doesn't just want protein, it absolutely needs it. But not just any kind will do. Clean plant-based protein blends, especially combinations of pea and rice protein, are proving themselves as safe and highly effective options for older adults. This combination delivers a complete amino acid profile, something most single plant proteins struggle to provide. Unlike dairy-based options like whey or casein, pea and rice proteins are far easier for seniors to digest. No bloating, no inflammation, just solid muscle support without the digestive drama. A 2021 study published in Nutrients showed that seniors supplementing with pea and rice protein blends experienced a 25% increase in muscle protein synthesis compared to their baseline after just 8 weeks. That's not a small improvement. It means this combination actually helps you rebuild and maintain muscle even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond if you use it consistently. Number 3. Micronized creatine in low, senior, safe doses. Forget everything you think you know about creatine being dangerous. The key isn't to avoid it completely. It's to use it wisely and appropriately. When taken in high doses or the wrong form, creatine can indeed cause problems. But when used in a micronized, low-dose form, it becomes one of the most powerful, well-researched supplements for fighting age-related muscle loss. Micronized creatine is processed into much finer particles, meaning faster absorption, lower digestive stress, and no uncomfortable bloating. In a major clinical trial published in the Journals of Gerontology, seniors over 60, who took just 3 grams of micronized creatine daily for 12 weeks while performing light strength training, saw a 42% improvement in leg power and a 33% increase in upper fresh and FNTS body strength compared to those who didn't take it. Number 2. Vegan collagen builders. Traditional collagen supplements made from animal bones and hides aren't always the best option for seniors. They're harder to digest, often contaminated with unwanted substances, and missing key nutrients your body needs to actually use the collagen effectively. Vegan collagen builders work differently. They don't contain collagen itself. Instead, they provide your body with the exact tools it needs to produce its own collagen naturally. These formulas typically include vitamin C, plant-based amino acids like glycine and proline, silica from bamboo extract, and powerful antioxidants. A study published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that daily intake of collagen precursors like glycine and vitamin C improved skin elasticity by 25% and reduced joint stiffness by 30% in patients just 90 days among participants over 60. Number 1. Plant-based essential amino acids. This is the supplement almost no senior talks about, but it should be at the very top of your list. Plant-based essential amino acids provide the full set of all 9 amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. They're the true building blocks of muscle, bones, skin, and even your immune system. In a groundbreaking 2020 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who took essential amino acids daily for 10 weeks experienced a 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis, even without intense exercise. Another trial showed improvements in balance, walking speed, and lower body strength. Take a deep breath and consider what we've just uncovered together. This isn't just about supplements. It's about understanding the real reason so many seniors are feeling weaker, stiffer, and more tired with every passing year. For decades, you've been offered quick fixes and miracle solutions that simply don't deliver. And worse, some of those so-called healthy supplements may actually be causing joint pain, kidney strain, and muscle loss, the very things they claim to fix. But now you have the knowledge. You know which 4 supplements to avoid, and which 4 can help rebuild your body from the inside out. These aren't trendy gimmicks. They're backed by solid research and used by real seniors who are walking farther, standing taller, and living stronger because they made informed changes to their supplement routine. If you start slowly, even with just one of the recommended supplements, like plant-based essential amino acids or clean vegan collagen builders, you may feel positive changes within weeks. Your knees might not creak as much. Your legs could feel steadier. You might wake up without that deep, dragging fatigue. Here's the most important message. It's never too late. Whether you're 60 or 85, your body still has the remarkable ability to respond positively to the right nutrients. You just need to give it the proper tools. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity to get stronger, protect your joints, and live with less pain and more vitality. Remember, you're not just getting older, you're getting wiser, and now you have the knowledge to make better choices for your health and independence. Stay strong, stay informed, and take charge of your wellness journey starting today.